Anthony Tatum. This is my wife Stephanie.
Hey.
And this is our boat and our home. We live here at Wrightsville Beach right now. You just saw a tour of the deck, so you can come down below.
It's our little humble abode.
Alright, all navigating happens out there, and then this is a couple of instruments, VHF, and then breaker board where we've got all of our running lights and water pumps and all that stuff.
That's our galley.
Nice little galley right here.
Which is my area of expertise. Dishes, cooking, stove, storage, all our food, spices, all of our dishware, all things like that. And then we have more storage under here.
And a table where we eat once in a while, which also goes down and turns into a bed.
More storage, basically sleeping quarters.
Lots of storage, guitar, all of our
drum.
electronics, all the wires.
Yeah, all the wires.
Then over here's the bathroom, and a closet on this side, and then our bed, which is about the size of like a queen bed. And plenty of storage for books and computers and all that.
It's everything you need and nothing you don't need.
Right, everything has a purpose. I moved on and was showing my mom around, who grew up sailing also. She raised me on a sailboat. And I mentioned that these railings right here were just for design, and she's like, no, they definitely have a purpose, and the purpose is when you're at sea, if it's heeling over real hard, you can just grab it and walk down the side of the boat like that. So it's like almost everything in here has some reason for it being here.